Hey there, how's it going? Crypto Sage here, bringing you another Ampleforth video. This is a continuation from yesterday's video on the TA. I just noticed a couple other things that I thought might be useful for many people, so let's go ahead and take a look at them. This should be a quick video. So, I'm seeing some opportunity. I'm seeing more strength on the daily time frame. We talked about how we established a new support rather than testing this support here at 67 million. We instead established a new support at 81 million, came up, and we've come down, and we're really close to retesting it. That was a sign of some strength, but what also is showing a sign of strength is take a look at the volume relative to the price movement. From about October 2nd, we'll move forward from there. So we have strong upward volume into a strong upward move. We have quite a bit of volume still, and it's a very squeezed movement, which means there were both buyers and sellers. After that, we can see that the sellers won, and with a smaller amount of volume, we had a much bigger move than the day previous. So that's telling us, okay, the bears won that war, so we're headed down for a while. Coming down here again, these two, I would say, would match in ratio for volume to the amount of price movement. But here, today, we've seen more volume than we did yesterday already, despite the day not being done, and less movement. What that's telling us is that there are buyers coming in again. Does that mean I'm going to buy right now? No, that tells me we're just getting close to the time to buy. But I want to back it out a time frame. I want to head out to a week and do the same thing. Take a look at the volume relative to the price. Okay, so we have this big move down. We'll start here in the 31st of August, or the week of the 31st of August, Q4 of August. Anyways, moving on to the next week, we have another very squeezed movement, which is showing a lot of buyers coming in, and that was because we were at this support line at the 137 million area, which was proving to be a pretty strong support line. So I'm not surprised there was a lot of buying, a lot of selling, but eventually the bears won. And you can see the next week with much less volume, we have a much bigger move, which is typical. And then that happens again. With even less volume, we have an even bigger move down. Moving into the next week, we have more volume than the previous week, and it's very squeezed. The bulls won for a little bit, but it's very squeezed, meaning the seller's power was still there. Moving into this current week, where we have not much volume at all, but already a bigger move than last week. So on the weekly time frame, the bears are still winning. So what this tells me is I don't want to be looking for a massive trade. I'm looking for some quick profits here on the daily. There is opportunity in the short-term time frame, but it's telling me not to be greedy, because on the weekly time frame, the majority of pressure is still going downwards. So I hope this helps you guys with your own trading. I'll keep you posted if I go ahead and enter into a trade. I will show where I posted it, and we'll review it from there. But yeah, best of luck, and thank you for watching this video, and take it easy.